Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I'll show you the fastest and most accurate way to create a 2x2-inch photo with a name tag right inside Microsoft Word. Let's get started. First, open a blank document. Go to the Insert tab at the top, select Pictures, then choose this device. Find the photo you want to use and insert it. Before we set the exact size, we need to make the image perfectly square. Click on your photo. In the Picture Format tab on the ribbon, click the drop-down arrow under Crop. Hover over Aspect Ratio and select 1:1. Adjust your image inside the crop frame so your face is centered. Then click anywhere outside the photo to apply the crop. Next, we need to make the image easy to move. Click the photo again, go to Wrap Text, and select In Front of Text. Now for the exact dimensions. Keep the photo selected and look at the top right corner in the Picture Format tab. In the Size section, simply type the number 2 in the height box and press Enter. Because we already locked the aspect ratio, the width will automatically adjust to exactly 2 inches. Now let's add your name tag. Go back to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and select the standard rectangle. Click and drag to draw a rectangle across the bottom edge of your photo. With the rectangle selected, click Shape Outline and choose No Outline to keep it looking clean. Then go to Shape Fill and pick your background color. To add your name, right-click the rectangle and select Add Text. Type in your name. You can highlight this text and return to the Home tab to change the font, adjust the text size, or change the text color so it stands out clearly, and you're done. Your 2x2 photo with a custom name tag is perfectly formatted and ready to print. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple direct software guides. Thanks for watching.